Hi, Ryan Scott here representing PCB Piezotronics. And today we're going to talk about sensor cabling issues and how to best avoid those issues. Now let's just say you've had a sensor that's failed to output a signal right in the middle of your test. Or maybe you've experienced intermittent output signal problems coming from your sensor. So today I'm going to show you two field installation techniques that will help you avoid cable failures and intermittent output problems. So to start, we have a sensor and we have our cable. Now you want to take the pin of the cable and screw it into the sensor. Do not do the opposite. Do not screw the sensor into the cable. The sensor connector is designed a certain way. Inside the socket are 4 electrical contacts that are concentric with the cable connector pin. These contacts can be damaged if the sensor is screwed into the connector pin. So using the cable's floating coupling nut to screw the cable onto the sensor ensures that the pin is driven straight back. Neither the sensor nor the connector pin will spin when you connect them the correct way. Another method to ensure reliable cable connection is through proper strain relief. The mass associated with the cable length and the connector causes a high stress area at the connector sensor joint during shock and vibration. This joint right here is the weakest part of the measurement system, and it's very important to provide some type of strain relief to this connection. The best way to remove strain on this connection is to always tape your cable down to the structure that your sensor is mounted on. If your sensor connector happens to be on top of the housing, you should also loop your cable and tape it directly to the sensor itself. Then tape it down to the structure as well. Taping it down will ensure you get maximum life out of the cable. So next time you're setting up for a new test, remember, 1. Connect the cable to the sensor. Don't connect the sensor to the cable. And 2. Make an attempt to strain relieve the connector sensor joint. These 2 connection tips will reduce the likelihood of intermittent output signals and extend the life of your cable. For more information, visit pcb.com.